Hey guys, I'm going to show you the latest improvement. Let's call up a real project that we have here in Malaysia. The bounding boxes coming up loads very fast because it says tree.js directly SQLite database. Here, the first thing I'm going to show you is shortcut keys. You see, I press G and then I can go arrow and things like that. I press escape, I press tab again. I can have there's one like this, and then I press shift, I go down. I can do all of that. Let me escape. Oops, I have to get back the tab, go back up into all storage, tab again. I can do this. I tap again, get to the right. I can go X-ray. I go big screen. And then I tap again, you go to the next panel. Here is the coloring schema, and then if I were to escape, yes, okay, so let me show you this one. Can I do the tab again? Okay, and the cut, and then the tab. Yes, I can. No, I cannot. Okay, I can cut it, or I'll just use the pointer and cut. There's a snap because it will compress 3 snaps and then you save it, but I just want to show you that it is accurate. Okay, oops, cut too much. The line is supposed to shift accordingly if you were to switch to this. Okay, so again, the shifting of the lines. Anyway, I'll get this off, back to normal. So let me just show you the shortcut keys. Okay, there's one good shortcut keys. Let me get this off. It's still new. Okay, let's say you are just starting like this. Just one press of the letter C. Hang on. Yes, we'll call out the clash matrix. Give me a scare there, and then you can press your mouse in and try and look for and then it's highlighting there. If you do, you can go like this. Another cool thing is you press shift, you go down. Now you start collecting all the clashes, but in the form of just red box, so you get an idea where the clashes are. Okay, enough with that. Now we'll come to a new innovation with the Gantt chart, the 4D5D, where I was showing you in the last video. But this time, if you were to play it, you got a nice, beautiful, should I say, panel. Okay, I'm still trying to make this accurate. Okay, so it's now playing. There's a sort of dashboard that's showing how much resources are needed. This is referring to a JSON template reference where you can adjust what actually happens on the ground and its dependency according to your Gantt chart, milestone, and so forth. All this is metadata. I'm following from what I learned in ERP. So this is mock data, because if you finally will connect this to an ERP where you will manage your projects and your construction, and it will provide you the status, real-time status. And not only that, I showed you before, you can send this to a mobile phone to the officers on site to monitor, and as a browser they can go in and query, walk through, and send the information. Okay, another thing I'm going to do after this is conduit routing. For example, not just electrical, but let's say you are a data center with a lot of panels and cables to trunk. I found out that Revit and Autodesk does not do that. You have to manually do that. So an engineer was complaining to me, and that's what I'm going to do next, which is I already have a route walker for MEP, electricity, fire, but I'm going to do one for cabling, trunking, conduit. It's simple because I have it all on database. All I have to do is to apply the rules. I'm making everything abstract and put it out on a JSON template so that it's all common sense anyway. Okay then, bye bye. If you have any more suggestions, do write to me. I will do it because I have sort of AI helping me write programming, but I'm putting down all the specs and I need real specs. See you.